to control the things. Ball in the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race. Niggas don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage. Take you across the tracks. Make you explode the face. Now you official now, but you got a soul to save. I just been cooking that new. I'm about to drop in a few. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
No, wanna count on you, but I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. You, but my money real, that you do. Oh yeah, so I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. Oh, I told her I got.
Like I never left. Stand for some shit that you never read. Passing through stages in life, through the ups and the downs, like it's all just another test. Live by the rules like a fucking ref. I got respect in 100 sets. Too many chains, need another chest. Playing no games if it wasn't chess. Cut from that cloth that you couldn't stretch. Cut from that circle you couldn't test. Heavily pressured and under stress, even though niggas ain't sure we was a mess. Honest attempt playing to the left. Judge a young nigga by their address. Left is no option, what they expect. Only thing we knew for sure is the bang the set. Fuck living basic, I'm taking risks. Fuck what they saying, I'm saying this. Don't waste your testament, don't make you rich. It don't mean nothing, so fuck them, let's make a grip. Double up, triple up, make assists. Ballin' so hard you can pay a bitch. Lean to the lake if they wanna fish. Make sure them niggas around you stick to the script. This should be written in stone. You should come visit my zone. Don't take my word, double check all of my flows. Ask them how hustle got on, but fuck what you heard. This for who walk down that road. Sold everything but they sold. Third off the curb. Real niggas rich as you nerds. Address the human makers. Look, lot of niggas feel what I want. Lot of niggas fold, but I cope. Lot of niggas gone, but I'm home. Lot of niggas off, but I'm on. Lot of niggas lost on this road. Couple niggas gave up they goal. Gang of niggas traded they soul. But me, I'm standing on 10 toes. Looking out my Benz window. Wonder where my friends all go. Scared to give my heart to this girl. Paranoid she gon' leave if my hands get low. Knowing that this game to be played, but I'm knowing that this game to be changed. I should be afraid of afraid. I'm just trying to live up to the meaning of my name. I'm just trying to live up to the niggas in my gang. I'm just trying to live up to my moment on the stage. I'm just trying to live up to the truth of my pain and the power that it gave me on the youth for today. I put a coupe in a safe, and I shoot from the waist. My time is money, and I ain't got a second for you flukes and you fakes.
How do you dream of my walls? How do you dream of my niggas? How do you dream of my brother? How do they dream of my niggas? Yeah. How do you dream of my walls? How do you dream of my niggas? How do you dream of my brother? How do they dream of my niggas? Yeah.
We be taking trips more than often this month. When I call, they pulling up 2, 3, stream up. You ain't doing enough for the clan. How I feel if I gotta sit it down? How the fam gon' feel? 120 in a euro, one hand on the wheel. I was just programmed through a $250,000. Can't believe I'm still here. Shed tears for the dead. Cubes in my thought of change, she don't even wear. Pop my little brother up, you know we took it there. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. Yeah, only thing that I fear. Real nigga telling on me, only thing that I fear. A lot of niggas queers, a lot of dope in the air. A lot of niggas queers, a lot of dope in the air. Styrofoam contaminated, got a nigga meditating. Yeah, I said it, got a nigga meditating. I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep, listen medicated. I've been on my feet, chasing check after check. Nigga week after week, cause I'm dedicated. I can't even eat, listen medicated. I can't even sleep, listen medicated. I've been on my feet, chasing check after check. Nigga week after week, cause I'm dedicated.
I was been supposed to change up. I was been supposed to fold all this pressure. I was been supposed to change up. Nigga, what would I look like? I come from the hood, I represent the only way up. Had to hustle, boy, I'm trying to touch the toy. I'm trying to fuck these LA streets up. Think it's safe to say that I did it. Look, nigga, all black, everything. And my diamonds all love like Lil Wayne. Look, blue rags in the south of France. And some things in life that won't never change. Me, I'm a nigga that's supposed to walk, cause I'm a street survivor and they mold us wrong. Before rap, we was Rolling Stones. I drove a Cutlass coupe, a copper cortisone. yourself cause you can overdose. Not on the drugs, but the life you chose. Like hanging niggas down like parole. No such thing as they might parole. They putting cameras up and microphones. They got me sandwiched in. I want a nicer home. They know I take the risk. I don't know right from wrong. Plus any given day you might be gone. No cliches where the lines get drawn. Come on the block, it's a ride zone. For the loot, niggas stoop in the pirate mode. Paint with less strokes and divide your dog. Guns get drawn, niggas lives get lost. Never was entitled, had to fight for raw necessities in life. You see the reason, right? I was been supposed to change up. I was been supposed to fold all this pressure. I was been supposed to change up. Nigga, what would I look like? I come from the hood, I represent the only way up. Had to hustle, boy, I'm trying to touch a toy. I'm trying to fuck these LA streets up. Niggas safe to say that I did it, look, nigga, up. All black, every day. In my 600 bands with a heavy chain. Look, you deserve a real nigga with money and some things in life that won't never change. Me, fell in love with a cute. A celebrity yourself,
I think we should be good.
She the one that the shoe fit, but I can't stop for love. Yeah,
How's
all that stress on my
everybody
brain,
doing?
right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe 8 nights.
As always, a little recap from yesterday.
Let me cut on my phone. Let me get
Overall,
in my zone. Let me center myself. Just leave a
looking for
nigga
bullish
alone.
market structure.
I'll be back in the field,
Once
got some
again,
rapping
this
to do.
impulse leg
Got
up.
some still running, got some lapping to do.
Right, took a couple stabs at it, but first one a little offsides. I wanted to run through the lows one more time, and then we played that second shifted market structure. Alright, but we just got tapped out by a couple of handles here. It's like 1 or 2 handles. Yeah, exactly 1 handle. And then we ended up rallying exactly where we were trying to go to, which is our relative equal highs here, and then our single high up here. And both targets met later on in the session. Alright, just a little early on it, just a little early. But nonetheless, right, still, we're a little offsides, right, and a little early, but overall right on the directions. Right, we're just offsides by getting a little early, but nonetheless, solid, right, being disciplined with risk management, only taking those setups. Now if we zoom out, let's zoom out here. Let's start on Weaver. Right, so we're pretty much at the same spot, right? Where we started the week. Just a little further down. I was talking about earlier in the week that we would kind of retrace down into this busy a little bit, close it in, and then continue our way up. And that's what we're kind of doing here. Very slowly. Very slowly. On the daily, we have this busy here, which we traded to a couple days ago. Right, it's kind of looking like it wants to, depends, right? We could either be going for this buy side liquidity or the sell side liquidity. Right, we're kind of just stuck in the middle here in no man's land. So let's drop down a little bit. And the same thing with the 4 hour, right? We're still inside this range between this low and this high right here. We've kind of just been kneeling back and forth. What I do notice though is that we have some buy side liquidity here. I don't have these guys marked up, which are buy side liquidity, but we have these relatively equal highs that we created yesterday. So maybe we can drop down to a discount area and see some order flow switch up and get that bullish order flow going, and then we can aim for those relative equal highs up here. Alright, looking at the 1 hour. I mean, we're still just kind of stuck inside this range here as well. Alright, we just purged the lows from early London session. And so, I mean, we can see how we react to consequent approaching with this wick that we created yesterday. Alright, we'd have to come down to like 6,002. Right about where we just tapped right there. Let's see if we can get a bullish shift to market structure underneath this low. But other than that, we're kind of just stuck in between these range here, possibly getting displacement below the short-term low here after trading back up into that 15 imbalance that we had marked up yesterday.
Police wanna know how you got your six. Niggas on the side hate to watch the shit.
Or,
You want time, so they throw rocks and shit.
I had this marked up on Bitcoin, but it just so happens that S&P has the same fair value gap. Alright, trade it back up into this fair value gap, this 15-minute fair value gap. Noted here.
I'm really on some baller shit, on some rich nigga, I ain't gotta call you shit. On some fuck with me if you know shit. Everybody
Got
in my
that
circle
shift
gets
lower.
spoiled shit. Really started in the
Alright, we came back up into it. Got the displacement below the short-term low. I traded back up into it at New York Open.
Check it out. Yeah. Look, we just sitting here trying to win. Drop 20 bands, you can fly us in. Turn down deals, they gon' try again. We need a partnership.
Alright, so we'll kind of just sit on our hands and be patient here.
You don't see the shows and the lines for them. You don't know the spots we residing in. Nigga, we straight, we know ain't no enticing them. Look at my life, my friend. I got the right to win.
No lower fair value gaps here, right? We're just looking at consequences from that wick.
When my hope was low,
But we're kind of just, honestly, kind of range down. I mean, we're possibly creating a 1 hour imbalance here,
that's a price to jail.
as well as a 15-minute imbalance.
Is it alright to sin?
So maybe we can get up, get into a premium, aim for that hourly imbalance down here.
Put me right back in.
I guess hourly busy. Now we have some relatively equal lows on. Alright, we just gotta be patient though, because we also have some relatively equal highs here.
Picture me rolling, tip of my chauffeur. Niggas look jealous, gotta control it. Reaching my quota, mixing my soda. Feeling connected to God, trying to get closer. Stepping on roaches, me and my loasters.
Let's check out
Trying to get over, try not to get swallowed by locusts. Trying to stay focused, kinda like Moses. Like somebody chose us, sweat on my shoulder. I feel these emotions, but still I keep going. I've been to a poet, I've been through the motions. I'm feeling heroic, but life is a dice game, and they dare you to blow it. You might get a strike, man, but that ain't gonna pay for the strollers.
Relatively equal lows down here as well.
She needs you right now in this moment. Now dead on your back pushing roses. To me, I'm just carving a scotia. Fine-tuning my approach.
Alright, looks like price wants to draw too.
The moment of truth is the opponents, call them promoters.
Picture me rolling with my friends, not a worry. Then we get stopped by the police. Gotta make it home to my baby. 'Cause these days niggas going crazy. Gotta make it home to my baby. 'Cause these days niggas ain't me. Gotta make it home to my baby. Hold up, yeah, look. I bet I'ma make it home to my baby. I bet I'ma bang bang.
Yeah, so I think also has those relatively equal lows down there. After they swept the highs, right? They didn't create these relatively equal highs like S&P 500. I can see price drawing and getting back to those relatively equal lows down there. We also have that 1 hour imbalance down there as well that we can definitely trade to right here. Right, relatively equal lows, which is our sell side liquidity. It's kind of broken up compared to NASDAQ, but right, we still have these relatively equal lows down here. So let's see if we can create this busy here. We also have a small shift in market structure here that I can see us returning back into. This 1 hourly. Or this 1 minute candle here. Right, that wouldn't be a bad little 1 minute setup to take on SIBI. Alright, but I can see us trading back down to those relatively equal lows down there. Looks like we're heading to.
I flash back on that shootout at the beach, 20 deep. You tried to squeeze, your gun jammed, and they released. Blood on your teeth. How many stains? I see 3. The bitch started to panic, so I made her switch seats. Driving there, police chopper here flying there. Really not too spooked, calmly ask me, am I dying now? All I know is keep you calm and collected. Cracking jokes like niggas nigga, now you gon' be finally respected. See your blood leaking. Got my foot on his gas. Toss the 40, we pull up to Daniel Free and see crash. You know the alibi. They start shooting, we was standing by. Ain't see nothing but flare from the talents fly. I wasn't there.
Alright, we're inside that first hand macro session.
Matter of fact, don't say shit, I'm just gonna drop you in the back and slide. That's your weed, all the cash is mine. I take them both to the spot, plus your phone till you back online.
Alright, but just the way the Nasdaq's looking a little bit cleaner. Alright, if we're looking at the hourly here. Alright, notice how we have this buy side liquidity inside of here. Alright, buy side liquidity inside this 1 hour imbalance. Came up and completely cleared out that buy side liquidity. Right, and then got that movement to the downside after pushing that buy side liquidity. Right, if you're looking here, look at that short-term low, displacement, return back up into it. Boom. And then we'll cover lower. And look at us here. We're generating even more sell side liquidity, but we're completely closing in that fair value gap. We're also looking at, we had CPI news or PPI news this morning. Right? Yeah, PPI news. Right, which is at 8:30. So we're below that low from 8:30, which is here. Right, we also approached that high of the news as well.
Keep at least a pound of green, motherfucking right. 30 hours in the spot, going overtime. Then we pull up to the Fox and don't hold it down. You know this life, it got a cold design. How you go from mean lobster tail to those.
Man, just how fast we're coming up here.
When them gates close, keep open mind.
And no shifts in market structure.
You gotta focus on yourself like
interesting.
an only child. You make your dream realer and you make your team better.
That is interesting, especially after having this little 1 minute shift inside of this 15 minute imbalance. Shit up this 5.5 minutes.
I'ma go hard, my nigga. Put my name in the stars, my nigga. I gotta pray to God, my nigga. I will go down.
Look, I'm from West Side, California. They run up on me. Ask you where you from and check your tats under your clothing. Hustle, go hard, make sure my knot's swollen. Fuck you, say the wrong hood, bullets explode, and I trust you. People these days, cause that's gold. I see niggas get killed for who they roll with.
See if we can get a second shift in market structure inside this 1 minute. Sibby.
Same nigga that shot you was the one you used to smoke.
That's something I'd be interested in.
My whole clique notorious. You heard of us? 6 souls is murderers. You still serving clubs?
No other shifts on the Nasdaq besides the 1 minute.
Out my cup, she can't get enough. Buffing me down as I
completely closing that fair value gap, but that's looking good. Honestly, it's just building up that buy side liquidity in my opinion. Right, we got that hourly imbalance inside of there, so you can see us still working to the downside. Right, still working to the downside.
We get paid, bitch. Blue laces, shield cases, catch bodies, we don't leave no traces. Big faces, suitcases. If you ain't no hoe, we get paid, get paid, get paid, get paid, get paid, get paid.
We the best music. Yeah. DJ Khaled. You keep taking me higher and higher. Yeah. Don't you know that the devil is a liar? I know they'd rather see me down, put my soul in the fire. But we keep going high.
Also, if anybody knows why when I put my buy limits that I can't drag stop losses on there, everybody knows why. But why does it not have the drag stop loss when I place orders though?
Los Angeles love, kinda like hustle and bug. Money turn 10, cross turn 2. Starting to see this life shit from a bird's view.
Why does it not have that? Usually it does, but I don't know for some reason. Recently it hasn't been putting up that stop loss, the drag to stop loss.
Don't you know that the devil is a liar? I know. Right back. They'd rather see me down, put my soul in the fire. But we keep going higher, higher.
Emptied out the clip, it was broad day. Fuck niggas always gotta learn the hard way. We gon' tape it off if we ball play. Put a half a moon crescent on your ball fade. Police hit the lights, that's a car chase. Looking back at my life, make my heart race. Dance with the devil and test all faith. I was thinking chess moves, but it was God grace. Crooked ass whoever till we all straight. With no shame, I peep game and it's all fake. South Central state of mind, high crime rate. Homicide, hate gang banging to get you all day. But look at my fate.
Right, we're still inside that first hand back row. See if we can get back up into this 1 minute Sydney and then get another shift of market structure inside of there. That is what I would be looking for.
But we keep going higher, higher, higher. Oh Lord, can you feel it?
Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Pop at you lanes, cause I'm sucker proof. Don't play no games, boy, I'm buster proof. Look, I don't give a fuck what you niggas done. I don't give a fuck where you niggas from. Before you in your mouth, go and get a gun. Then you slumped on the scene, that's a hit and run. Oh, y'all bloods now, oh, y'all Crips now. Fuck it, I'm big draws, I'm Jake Prince now. A frontline wars we can't fix now. Bought latex gloves, that's no Prince.
These nice views. How you doing, baby? Don't skip nothing. No, play this. This the best album in the world, baby. Very peaceful. You know, just listen. Get some game. It'll take you far. I'm sorry, sweetie. You better off without me. But I love you now.
Also, something to note too, as I'm going drawdown, right? As I bring some of the accounts into some drawdown, right? I'm also going to be reducing risk, right? Kind of with the idea that, you know, don't, without blowing any more PA accounts, going in with that mindset of, you know, looking to hold them, right, for a long time. Going to be reducing risk as I approach the trailing drawdown limits. Right, so, you know, as I trade, right, and I get into some drawdown, I'll be looking to reduce risk. Reduce risk. So then I can pretty much have the accounts for a while. I know some of them are a few $100 away from. Right, a few $100 away from the trailing drawdown. So I will be reducing risk by a good amount. I try to give myself a little bit more of a buffer, and then once we get back into break-even territory, then we can start taking normal risk that the master account is also taking.
I know a girl from Tracy, she went crazy. Always drove down to the bay just to pay me, I'm foolish. I'm a dog, but nigga 100, I ain't next to bitch at all. Don't blame me, blame the bench. Stock AMG had to switch. Tracy, how you been? I'ma keep it 100, I hit it again. My name is Larry, and bitch I'm an Aries, and bitch I'm a player. I don't wanna get married, these niggas is weird, so I'm to the neck. Riding around the bay, I got traps to check. I never hit those, but I checked the net. Told her jump in the shower before she hop in my bed. Player shit, new outfit, I'm killing shit. Barbecue with my niggas on some cool and shit. Yeah.
we'll just sit on our hands here, be patient, wait for us to get back up into this 1 minute Sibi, and then kind of just take it from there. Alright, we don't have, we have an 11 a.m. folder drop in, but it's an orange folder. And then we have Al, I believe, speaking at 3 p.m. later today.
You make a nigga wanna jump fresh, try to rap. Smoking, cooling, laughing, was heading. Half moon bay just to grab some lunch. I was giving up, but you came in clutch. I've been texting baby girl.
So we got that going on at 3 p.m. right? Red folder, Jerome Powell speaking, and then we have orange folder at 11 a.m. That is about it, though.
How you doing, love? Yeah. Turn me up. Man. Yeah. A nice day on the block. The trap is moving, the hose is out. Hey, Miss Parker, that body is nice. Your man ain't home, I'm hitting the night. I'm heading to the motherfucking store. A box of condoms in the water for show. Bounce out, hit the kill switch, ready to go. Oh, bitch on my line and she ready to hoe. See you on the internet with them fake ass posts. Yeah, I got a lot of hoes, shit, what else you wanna know? Check it out, I make a lot of money in Mac. And if you want that little bitch, you can have that back. And these brand new kicks match clean with the hat. And this fresh white tee just to cover
Nasdaq was also able to completely fill in that potential Sibi. Right, that potential Sibi that we're getting below this low. Right, completely filled in. Right, normally, if I see that, then I think it's going to be a continuation move from whatever happened before it. Right, so like in this case, like if you were going short here, you wouldn't want a Sibi being created here, because then that would be like I mean, in this case for shorting, right, this would be like if we were going short here and we created a Sibi here, below this short-term low, right, you would still look for, we're tracing back up, and then another shift in market structure, right? You wouldn't, would you? Or actually, let me check myself real quick.
She chose on the peak cause she know I go up. Zoom in a sports car moving. Bug 40 switching lanes, nigga, I'm fooling.
Actually, with this scenario specifically, I'm honestly not too sure. Because then if you did create a Sibi here below the short-term low, right, and you're going short, right, you'd anticipate that it goes up. It's a premium array. It goes up, respects that 15-minute Sibi, right, and it continues working its way down. If you were going long here, you wouldn't want that 15-minute Sibi anymore, right? Because then it's a possible it'll go up to there, respect that 15-minute Sibi, and then continue all the way down. Right, so notice how it completely closed it. That's what it is. Right, notice how it completely closed that in. So, I mean, but I don't know. I wouldn't really want to go long with these relative equal lows right here, right after we purchase the buy side liquidity. Right, even though we kind of trickled down here, we didn't get there with a lot of emphasis. I don't know if you want to be buying and you got these relatively equal lows right here. Right, just personal preference. Right, we might not even get the opportunity for price to get back up into this 1 minute Sibi. It's looking like it just wants to go for that buy side or sell side liquidity.
You know what I'm saying? Looking at the Porsches and shit. Fuck it. Might grab that. Cause it's really nothing to a hustler, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm trying to crack something. A whole lot of money in this brown bag. Is it real? I just had to ask. Good trick, she can make it clap. Good dick, got it coming back. I ain't with the fuck around. Head so good, make me come around. Gotta be smooth when my son around. All of a sudden, everybody needs something now. let a nigga shine. Tryna get hit like a line. I need my feet like a fine. Meet me in the city round 9. Came through, I was cleaner than a bitch. The mess all diamonds ain't dancing like this. 5 takes back to back, still didn't miss. Ain't too many niggas working like this. Scrape down, this the one. I ain't gotta tell you, bitch, you know where I'm from. Frisco. It get active, bounced out on
we also have, I mean, just to denote, right? Just to kind of zoom out a little bit, see where we're at. Right, we're in the last, what's this here, maybe 6 weeks or so of the year. And about the last 6 weeks of the year.
Meet me out in Napa, we got wine to taste. Which whip today? I don't even wanna fuck, just lips today. One thing I don't got is time. Every bitch in my stable, a dime. Yeah, I got a few girls, I don't hide them.
So what I'll be doing as we get closer to the end of the year, I will go over all of this year's data. Right, that's what I'm gonna kind of spend mainly December focusing on. I'll be on the charts, right, just kind of reading, seeing how price action is, and see what the market conditions are, right? But really, it's December is gonna be more of a time of reflection, right? And going into just, well, even like right now, getting ready to get to go into 2025 in the best position possible, right? That's what I'm kind of thinking. And kind of, yeah, just making sure that we're going into 2025 with everything on lock. Everything on lock.
I put the foreigns up cause it's time to fucking get it. I hear my nigga Carter, we ain't dropped in a minute. You the type of nigga hit your brother with the jerry. I'm the type of nigga skirt, I'm a clan. I'm living life now cause tomorrow not promise. I'm fucking with my nigga kick back at St. Thomas. I be sticking him over. I be sticking him over. Nigga, I be sticking him over.
Right, and we got later on that Jerome Powell, which is interesting. It's right at the start of Power Hour. Right at the start of Power Hour at 3 p.m. there. We also got core sales, retail sales, 8:30 tomorrow as well. And let me flip over to BTC USD. We're taking a couple setups on here. I want to see when we get back up into this.
I've been drinking and I've been smoking this shit. Only thing on my mind is hoeing a bitch. Gotta make it out the game, shit been real. Stressed out, down bad, shit been ill. 2XYT with the 40. Don't be coming around me like you know me. Smoking kush in the back of a Rover. If she looked, then she took, yeah, she owned me. Any nigga can fuck that.
Because honestly, just like right now, it's just not the most optimal market conditions, in my opinion.
I get that feeling, flashback.
Right, it's like we're just stuck inside this range here. Right, we did trade below this London low. So I think if we get any push up, right, it's just gonna be to fill some inefficiencies, personal imbalances in. Right, possibly getting a small little shift here, but I think it's gonna be pretty short-lived. We might be able to get up into this moment if I get like 9.5 handles there. It's just, I don't know, I don't really want to go long after seeing relatively lows like that.
And I got it out the mud, y'all ain't gave me shit. So this nigga started hating, that's when I got rich.
Right, so we'll kind of just sit, be patient a little bit longer.
All of a sudden niggas telling me they rocking this shit. What was niggas at when I was on the Greyhound? Pack on me trying to watch out for K9. We ain't gotta talk dude cause I paid that. Real niggas in the city that say that. And I ain't got a name drop for my respect. I'm to the neck and I'm sliding with a tech. They like June, why you never got security? Cause there's nothing in this life that can fear me. All the real niggas really go feel. And all the real bitches really go here. Ride through the city with these woods on my lap in a pocket full of huns. I'm just checking my traps.
Alright, so we'll see if this little 1 minute shift to market structure can get us back up into that 1 minute civvy, and then we can get that larger portion of the move if we're still kind of gonna do a continuation from what we were doing at the PPI news 8:30. Which is right in here. Okay, right here.
Cardo, Satin. And bitch, I'm go do numbers, you know what I mean? Sun slide. Full tank only when I hit the gas station. Larry, what you doing? Bitch, I'm back chasing. Gamed up. I can lay shit. Eating no hibachi with a bitch named Rachel. Usually, crucially, this trap shit ain't new to me. I beat that kitty so good she got used to me. I got hoes in Beverly, bitch, I'm not settling. Juice with the celery, 10 in the magazine. On to the motherfucking rich. The bitch that I wanna hit me up, so I'm lit. Baby, how you doing? I'm too legit to quit. $1 million home, she gon' choose up quick. Bitch, I ain't stopping. 4-5 rockin'. Cardo had the chopper. AMG mobbing. New sock rockin'. You be click hopping. I be Steve jobbing. Mackin' on the bob.
Alright, maybe we can get below those relatively equal lows as well. Like either before the news later on at Power Hour, or that's like our, that's kind of like our news driver to get down there. We'll see though. It's not for a couple more hours. Or actually a few more hours. Yeah, we got some time. Got some time for sure.
D's in my watch got a hoe. Wait till the bitch see the crib. I'm a trap nigga, all I know is win. I'ma get it by any
means. This is maybe this is kind of the price action that we're gonna see into going into the end of the year. Right. Just a little bit more finicky. Right, we weren't in there from the first news. Right, so we just gotta sit on our hands here while we're kind of like in between that news driver at 8:30 up here, right, and where New York Stock Exchange was right here. Right, trade back up into that balance. Working our way lower. Yeah, but this didn't hold up for too long. I wasn't even able to get up into this 1 minute city up here.
It's like when Doughboy got out. Everybody kicking it behind my homeboy and mama house. I pulled up in that brand new old thing, sitting on them old things. How this chicken wings cold as my champagne. If you know me, you know that's all I bring.
Kind of just sit on my hands though. Right, no, doesn't hurt to just sit on the hands and just read price action.
Having big grip, packs, I'm a shit. I got swag on, I got bag on. I don't need a nigga bitch, I got plenty of. I'm a city nigga, stock 20 in it. This GT had been the corner on the Hemi quick. Bitch, what's your name? You got ass and shit. I'm $1 million man, I don't have to. The black man trying to make it shit. I hopped in my drum playing RBO remind. Bitch, don't check me. Check that motherfucking account balance. I'm talking about. Okay, I'm back to this motherfucking mob shit. I'm making plays on the daily, I can't lay with a bitch. I'm a top-notch nigga on some regular shit. You a side nigga cooking hoes breakfast and shit. Off to the motherfucking city, it's lit. I'm sliding to the neck, these niggas chip me as shit. Like, why the fuck you blowing up my phone about the bitch? If you hit, then you hit, nigga, keep that shit pimpin'. This watch on my motherfucking wrist a lot. Never told on a nigga and it's 10 in my sock. Running through the red lights in the all-black drop. Got a condo in the spot, couple whips on drop. Bubble tea, selling 40 million better. Long nose Beretta, hog flexing. Niggas pimpin' and trippin', politicking, corner dipping, real pimpin'. Cold nigga probably bought a road different on. I'm politicking with the bitch, trap still booming. Sun hefty in the clip, trap still booming. In this midnight fit, trap still booming. Told him you ain't got a trip, trap still booming. And I move, how I move, trap still booming. Niggas better be cool, trap still booming. I got for the high, trap still booming. Nigga better never try. Nigga, I'm talking trap house. Residue on the motherfucking blade, nigga in the kitchen, nigga just fucking with it. I'm talking about, sipping this motherfucking orange juice and shit. Fuck you, man. Nigga, I I drop 60 in the motherfucking Nash, nigga. This a Bencona, you know what I'm talking about? Slide, nigga. It's the motherfucking nice shit. My numbers is different. My hoes is brilliant. My snow's Cecilia. I'm counting a million. I'm staying in motion. I'm plotting this smoke.
Alright, I feel like Price is kind of just playing some games this morning. Ain't it? Alright, we got that good displacement to the downside, right at the open, right? New York Stock Exchange open, but kind of just been playing games after that, right? Look at all this price action in here. That doesn't look too hot. Look at that. Look at that. That ain't looking too hot at all. Right, so be better. Preservation of capital. Alright, we'll see what the 1030 turn brings, but unless we get up into that 1 minute imbalance. Alright, get that second shift to market structure. We'll be sitting on the hands today. Alright, we'll be sitting on the hands today. Alright, if we're just zooming out here, I mean, we're just stuck inside this range here. That's literally what it is. Possibly creating that. I didn't even see that 1 minute imbalance here. Right after trading back up into that 15 minute. With our targets down here, right? The sell side liquidity.
Tapped in with Mike, got the old school hit. Sliding down High Street in Oakland and shit. Saw my old game, so I stopped and waved. Damn, I ain't seen this bitch in days. Car wash pimping, I'm macking son. Every time you see me, I'm stacking son. I gotta stay healthy on the bitch. Moving, grooving on my shit. Rock, flip a lot, moving with a 6 shot. Bought it how I wanted, so I went and kept the whip stock. Ballin' nigga, no you not, nigga, use a mark. Get you some money and get up out a nigga pocket. Ask me questions like June with
sometimes
a
the days are just like that.
AMG, I seen that, and I don't even trap no more. This all rap. Everything a nigga talk about is all facts, nigga. Yeah. Nigga had to step it up. Yeah. Damn. Man, off top out the mud. Yeah. Going hard on the slug. Yeah.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah. And that's my nigga forever. Told him, yeah, you doing good, but you can do a little better. And when I call, I'm just checking, making sure that you good. Do the bitch cook you breakfast? Yeah.
Appreciate that, baby, for real.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right.
Looking at our pictures like damn, I kinda miss you. Anything you need off top, you can hit me. Life getting crazy, shit getting tricky. It's just something about you, man, it's better when you with me. Flight to the D, don't trip, it's on me. Then I'ma lay you down, I'ma give you what you need. There's so many things running through my mind. I don't know why, but I hope I get a chance to see you, cause it's been a minute. I like when you wear your hair like that, stop tripping. And how can I resist when it feels so right? So fuck all that texting, babe, I'm about to book the flight.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah. And that's my nigga forever. Told him, yeah, you doing good, but you can do a little better. And when I call, I'm just checking, making sure that you good. Do the bitch cook you breakfast?
And I would do the same for you, baby, for real. How can I resist when it feels so right? Conversation on point, smile so bright. I know we just met, but you kinda my type. You kinda hella fly, I kinda wanna try. Look me in my eyes, tell me how it feels. And it's so deep, like I'm trying to make a kid. Heart was so cold, you showed me how to feel. A lot of shit changing, but still got bills. I needed inspiration, you came through the chill. I show love back, cause I keep it so real. It feels so better when you with me. So damn right, baby, you can come with me. With your sexy ass.
It is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah.
now we're getting that displacement to the downside that we're looking for, but just not giving us anything to work with here. But we're a few handles away from those pairs of sell side liquidity we had marked up.
You see how I'm coming, nigga? Feel me?
They're not giving us too much to work with, but right, going to our draws and liquidity down here.
Beating their ass though, numbers, nigga. What you niggas know about dope fiends and blocks? You was always in the house, caked up with the thigh. I was whipped at the whip, nigga spotted the spot. On my way to Santa Rosa to go pick up a lot. Yeah, this coat costs a bunch, you got G's and shit. My Asian nigga out the way, got them P's and shit. I'm a millionaire, nigga, I don't need the lick. I know them niggas still hating, so I keep the stick. Bust another play, then I do the money dance. No better feeling than them hundreds in my pants. The watch costs a lot, she go choose off a glance. Know some young niggas that are murk for a band. We don't want truce, nigga, fuck the ops. Got a little that'll suck and swap. My table cost a lot, it was Roche swap. Can't really pronounce, but it cost me a lot. What's happening? Nigga, don't fuck around with me. 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 Nigga, don't fuck around with me.
Let's check out NASDAQ real quick. Yeah, very similar. Very similar. Alright, about to hit our sell side liquidity targets here. We're pretty close to them. Looks like we're building up some more liquidity here. Right.
You got yours, nigga, I got mine. I was slapping that shit in my drop top 50. They pulled the nigga over, I'm like, why you fucking with me? Check it out, bitch, you go choose a snooze. You complaining daily, cause you pee, you lose. Desert Eagle on me, same size as a ruler. Nigga, get out of line, then I'm on this medulla. Mackin', stacking. What else? Pussy, I be smashing. Good job, Larry. Her booty just won't stop clapping. My neighbors thinking something just happened. What's happening? Nigga, don't fuck around with me. 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 Long time. Into the late night, nigga. Niggas know I'm coming, nigga. Cardo on the beats and shit. You know what I mean? Shit so normal to a nigga, man. You know what I mean? Switch it up like shoes, nigga. I'm reaching in my motherfucking pocket. 5 G's cash and a modified whopper. I'm picking up this bitch, I'm in sack. Bonafide snow, guaranteed to make dollars. It's only 2 bitches that I like. A trapping asshole and a squitter, keep it solid. These niggas too worried about niggas. Bitch, I just made a 50 ball last night. I'm riding in my 5-point easy. I'm sliding through the point, so I'm gripping on the G's. Saw a black 650, it was Steve. I said, what's happening with my nigga? You can call me if you need me. I got a little light-skinned bitch from the rich. I told her off the rip, love, I'm not having kids. It's way too much fucking money to get. You knew the bitch was out of pocket, still paying the rent. But I be trapping like a motherfucker. Nigga stacking like a motherfucker. Nigga macking like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Yeah, trapping like a motherfucker. Nigga stacking like a motherfucker. Nigga macking like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Yeah. Off top, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn. And bitch, don't check me, bitch, check the air quality. Numbers. Yeah. Dysons and shit. You know what I'm saying? $500 fans and shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit's something slight though, you know what I mean? Run that.
Alright, coming up on the 10:30 turn here, but nothing too much that like getting into position for something to take. Alright, it's not really giving us too much to work with here. But that's just how it is some days. That is just how it is some days.
Have you ever been so fly? Bitches see and wanna come and choose on a P. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming.
That is just how it is some days. Looks like we're building up more sell side liquidity down here, right? By stopping right before we purge those single lows. Right, we're slowly making our way down there.
If they pull a nigga over, I might take another L. I ain't really been the same since they killed my nigga Lil. Riding with a ghost 40K, shit get real. No phone, no Twitter, no gram, just feel. Posted in the trap, telling niggas EDD. Call of Duty on me, niggas not robbing me. Left wrist on lottery, got cottage cheese. I'm on win mode, bitches no stopping me. Gas up the motherfucking whip, now I'm scraping. Cooling, moving, smoking like Jamaican. She shaking, dick so good, got a craving. Remind me of this little bitch I had named Megan. What's happening? Put the P aside, now I'm macking, stacking. Yes, Lord, another 100,000. It's feeling like a dream while I'm counting up these band-aids. I could've got a job, but instead I chose the fast way. Bitches see and wanna come and choose on a P. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. It was a clear afternoon. The bitch wasn't casual. Run to the neck, just me and my hammer. I don't want no drama, but I gotta stay ready.
Right, just given the nature of everything, I'm gonna end this one a little bit early, right? Just to show, preserve our time and energy on the charts, and I mean, just being disciplined with it, right? We're not getting exactly what we're looking to see here, with like very little opportunities. It's just, yeah, it's just in an interesting spot right now. Right, so, right, just sit on the hands. We got drum pal coming on later. So it's probably an escrow till then. So yeah, I'll be reading that later, but I will be back on tomorrow morning to finish up the week, and that will be a wrap. So appreciate everybody for tuning in, and yeah, we're coming down to the end here. Only a few weeks left of the year, or like yeah, maybe like six weeks left, 7 weeks left of the year. So that will be fun to wrap up, and yeah, we'll be back on tomorrow. See if it's more decisive. We trade up into this hourly or trade down into this hourly imbalance, purge that sell side liquidity, and then we can kind of take it from there. But appreciate everybody for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace out.